This is a 3-in-1 vacuum iron, fabric steamer, and regular iron that is a game changer for getting wrinkles out of anything. With one hand, no ironing board needed. I was sent this to review from GKJ, so let me show you a closer look because I am obsessed.
Wow, wow, wow. This is so cool. This is a vacuum iron. I have never heard of such a thing. It is corded, but this looks like a really long cord. You've got handy controls right here at the thumb. Here's your water tank. Open it up. Fill it up right there. On the back of the manual is the user's guide. There's a filter sponge that needs regular rinsing inside. Use distilled water or purified water to reduce lime scale buildup. Long press to turn on or off. There's a 30-second preheat. Short press to turn on the suction. Short press to pause or go back to working. You can turn off the suction and use it as a regular iron on an ironing board, or as a steam iron hanging. And then if you wanna have the suction, then you're gonna touch it. So those are kind of like 3 ways to use it. Here is a before of these curtains I need to iron out. Let's go. Inside the user's guide, you will find more detailed instructions on how to use it. I'm gonna turn on the vacuum. In suction ironing mode, you'll achieve smoother, faster results. This is ideal for thicker fabrics or garments that require a neat finish, like t-shirts, shirts, jeans, suits, and similar items. In the suction ironing mode, move the steamer slowly from top to bottom. Avoid back and forth movements for best results. As you move the steamer down, let the clothes hang naturally. Keeping the steamer parallel to the clothes will give you the smoothest results. Avoid tilting the steam plate at an angle to the clothes. If you don't want to disturb the natural texture of the fabric, turn off the suction function. Keep a certain distance between the steamer and the clothes, allowing the steam to gradually soften the fabric. Oh yes, look at that! Amazing! Just like erases the wrinkles. Amazing steamer.
Oh my gosh. This thing is amazing.
It is so fast and so good in all 3 modes. It's amazing. The vacuum steamer, the regular steamer, and the iron mode, all of them fantastic. It is heavier than a regular kind of handheld wireless steamer, but because it has the vacuum mode, more than worth it. It's still lightweight. You don't really have to pull on the fabric, so it makes it easier in that way as well. It's quiet. It does run through the water pretty quickly, like within 10 minutes, but it's super easy. You don't have to wait for it to cool off or anything. You just pop this out, refill it, put it back in, turn it back on, and then you've got that 30-second warm-up delay each time you turn it on. But oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I love this, I love this, I love this, and I know you will too.